Tara, mag-run ta karong ugtuha. Let's go, go! Let's go, go! Mag-run ta. Time check, what time lang?
2:11.
2:11? Time check, 2:21. Lagom na kayo, sige dagan-dagan ug udtong dako. Time check, 2:22 sa udto. So, dagan ta. Nami sa park karon. Look lang. Hey, daghang tao. Look at that. Muna ang park diri. Roar Park. Oh, mag-challenge me og 6 miles?
Yeah.
6 miles. Let's see if pila ka minutes ang 2 laps. Equivalent to 6 miles. So this guy, starting to warm up, 2:32. Okay. But they have like kanang time no kung until what time lang sila dira. The golf course this side. So we just entered the gate, the entrance. Then magbaktas me until katong start sa mong run din. Time check, what time lang?
3:05.
3:05 in the afternoon. This is the park nga among gidaganan. So patuyok ani na circumference like gonna be 6 miles. Let's see kung makahumanlig 6 miles. Mo ba?
Yeah.
Ako kay magkuan sa ko magpaspas og walk.
But I just jog like really slow.
But before, but karon kay it's like kuan na, getting better. Di man mo agas. Sakon mo. Ha? Naguman na ako eh.
The hat didn't work?
Ha?
The hat didn't work?
It worked, I guess, but still init mo. So, we're done going back home.